Imagine a world where Earth no longer exists. A planet that once teemed with life is now silent. The sky no longer hosts clouds, the oceans have gone still, and the mountains stand as mere remnants of a forgotten past. But what happens after Earth dies? Will life just cease, or is there something more to the end of our world? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating future of Earth when it no longer supports life as we know it. Before we talk about what comes after Earth's death, we first need to understand how it happens. Earth is already on a long countdown, though it could take billions of years. The most immediate threat? The Sun. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will run out of fuel, expand into a red giant, and eventually swallow the inner planets, including Earth. But even before that, our world will undergo drastic changes. Rising temperatures will make it impossible for humans and eventually all life to survive. Oceans will evaporate and the air will become thick with toxic gases. Life as we know it will be a distant memory. As Earth warms, life will begin to struggle. Plants, animals, and ecosystems will first adapt, then ultimately perish. The last survivors would be those resilient organisms capable of enduring extreme conditions. Yet, the warming climate, increasing radiation, and the collapse of the atmosphere would lead to mass extinction events. For humanity, our time would be limited. As the planet becomes inhospitable, civilizations would crumble, leaving behind only ruins. But beyond the extinction of species, there's something even more intriguing to consider. What happens when Earth is no longer here? After Earth's final breath, the planet will not immediately disappear. Instead, it will be consumed by the Sun, turning into a cloud of gas and dust, joining the solar system's growing chaos. The remnants of Earth will likely be absorbed by the expanding Sun or cast into deep space. Without the Earth, our moon will slowly drift away, its gravitational relationship with our planet lost forever. The remnants of humanity's achievements, from cities to satellites, will be scattered across the void, slowly breaking down as they are consumed by cosmic forces like radiation and collisions with other objects in space. Even if the Earth escapes the Sun's final expansion, it will eventually face a cold, desolate fate. As the core cools and tectonic activity ceases, the planet will become a lifeless rock. Without plate tectonics, Earth's surface will stagnate, the atmosphere will erode, and with no geological activity to renew the surface, Earth's once vibrant landscape will slowly turn into a barren, frozen wasteland. The Earth will become just another lifeless orb drifting through the cosmos. As time moves on, the remnants of Earth may become a part of something much larger. The debris left behind by humanity from space stations to satellites could drift through space, creating a cosmic graveyard. Some of these objects might even travel to distant stars or be drawn into the gravitational pull of other celestial bodies, but even in the vacuum of space, time continues its march. Eventually, these objects too will succumb to the forces of time and decay, crashing into other planets, breaking down from radiation, or simply drifting forever in the cold silence of the universe. Ultimately, long after Earth and even the Sun have faded into the past, the universe will continue its relentless journey toward what is known as the heat death. In this distant future, everything will become so spread out that stars, galaxies, and even black holes will decay. There will be no more life, no more movement, just a cold, silent expanse where nothing happens. Forever. While the death of Earth may seem like an unimaginable event, it's an inevitable part of the natural cycle of the universe. But one thing is certain, Earth in all its beauty will continue to inspire us even in its final moments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What do you think the universe will look like after Earth is gone?